To set up a QuickBooks account, start by going to the QuickBooks website and selecting the plan that best suits your business needs. QuickBooks offers several plans, including Simple Start, Essentials, and Plus, each with varying levels of features and support. Once you have chosen your plan, click on the Sign Up button and fill out the registration form with your business information, including your business name, address, and contact details. You will also need to create a username and password for your account. After completing the registration form, you will be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from QuickBooks and click on the verification link to activate your account. Next, you will be prompted to set up your company file. This involves entering your business information, such as your business name, address, and tax ID number. You will also need to set up your accounting preferences, including your accounting method, fiscal year, and tax year. To set up your accounting preferences, go to the Company Settings page and click on the Accounting tab. From here, you can select your accounting method, which can be either cash or accrual. You can also set your fiscal year and tax year, which will determine your accounting periods and tax filing deadlines. After setting up your company file and accounting preferences, you can start adding your financial data, including your bank accounts, credit cards, and invoices. To add a bank account, go to the Banking tab and click on the Add Account button. From here, you can enter your bank account details and connect your account to QuickBooks. It is also important to set up your users and roles, which will determine who has access to your QuickBooks account and what actions they can perform. To set up users and roles, go to the Company Settings page and click on the Users tab. From here, you can add new users and assign them roles, such as administrator, accountant, or employee. Finally, it is recommended that you set up your QuickBooks account to automatically back up your data, which will ensure that your financial information is safe and secure. To set up automatic backups, go to the Company Settings page and click on the Backup tab. From here, you can select how often you want your data to be backed up and where you want it to be stored. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily set up your QuickBooks account and start managing your business finances with confidence. Remember to always follow best practices, such as regularly backing up your data and using strong passwords, to ensure the security and integrity of your financial information.